Welcome to our channel Home Decor USA. Transform your living space with clever home organizing ideas. Discover the joy of decluttering strategically, using storage baskets for a neat look. Maximize closet space with slim hangers and smart dividers. Create an inviting entryway with functional storage, and optimize your kitchen with easy access solutions. From labeled containers to floating shelves, these practical tips bring both order and style into your home. Embrace the simplicity of organization for a more harmonious living environment. Organizing your home is a transformative process that not only enhances the aesthetics of your living space but also contributes to a more functional and stress-free environment. Here are some practical and creative home organizing ideas to help you declutter and maximize space. Declutter strategically. Start by assessing each room and identifying items you no longer need. Donate, sell, or recycle items that have outlived their usefulness. Decluttering creates a clean slate for effective organization to utilize storage baskets and bins and integrate storage baskets and bins into your decor to create designated spaces for various items. These containers come in various sizes and styles, making them versatile for different rooms and storage needs. Optimize closet space and maximize your closet space by using slim hangers, hanging organizers, and shelf dividers. Arrange clothes by color or type to easily locate items, and consider adding hooks or over-the-door organizers for accessories. 4. Create a functional entryway. Your entryway sets the tone for the entire home. Install a shoe rack, wall hooks, or a small bench to keep shoes, coats, and bags organized. This prevents clutter from spreading into other areas of your home. 5. Kitchen organization. Arrange your kitchen items by frequency of use. Keep daily use items easily accessible and store less frequently used items in higher or lower cabinets. Use drawer organizers for utensils and dividers for baking sheets and cutting boards. 6. Label everything and nest in a label maker or use decorative labels to identify the contents of storage containers, jars, and baskets. This not only adds a touch of order but also makes it easy to find what you need.
Floating shelves display floating shelves to display and organize items in a visually appealing way, whether it's books, decorative piece, or kitchen essentials. Floating shelves provide a functional and stylish storage solution. Digital organization. Extend your organizing efforts to the digital realm. Sort and organize digital files on your computer, could storage, and mobile devices. Create folders with clear labels to streamline your digital life. Repurpose furniture. Look for furniture that serves dual purposes. Automates with storage, coffee tables with shelves, and beds with under bed storage can help maximizing space. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share.